Thank you for choosing Burger King where you rule. You can order whenever you're ready.
Yeah, I got an online order for Ken Rogers.
Got a mobile for Ken.
Yes.
Okay. Classic wrap, 5 Diet Coke, and 2 extra wraps for you.
Yes, it should have been one of each of the wraps.
Yeah, 3 wraps, but one of them's a meal.
Okay, yeah, that'll work. Thank you. Straw in there? All right. Let's go find a place to park. You guys know my luck. We're headed back to the store. They gave me the wrong order, as usual. But, okay. Get back with you in a minute. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you've seen, that was not the most graceful order pickup I've ever had. But regardless, we got it fixed. We're reviewing the BK Royal Crispy Chicken Wraps. And they have 3. They have the regular Royal Crispy Wrap. They've got a honey mustard chicken wrap, and they got a spicy chicken wrap. I've decided to do all 3 of them. And I'll be honest with you, I'm glad I'm doing all 3 of them because they're not that big. And so, they weren't that expensive. I think they're, at least here, I'm in Louisville, Kentucky, they're about $3 a piece, and there might be enough chicken in there to justify $3. I don't know. I'll let you give it a try. But the regular one, I don't know what that sauce is. I don't know if we can get that up there where you can see it. Maybe. I ain't sure what that sauce is. I'll let you know here in a second. Guess I could have looked online when I ordered this. But we're going to give this a try, guys. I'm going to try all 3 of them. Just get a bite or 2 for you. And give you my opinion. Get a napkin. I will give you my take on this. So let's go. This is the regular BK Royal Wrap. It tastes like a ranch dressing. I think that's what that is. They might call it something else. But that's pretty good. I said it's not that big. It's not that big at all. I would compare it to that little tiny thing I got from KFC. I don't know if you remember that. I would compare it to that, to be honest with you. But it's good. It's okay. This video was actually requested by, I don't remember who you are. I apologize. But I did get a request to do this video. So today we're complying with that request. So one more bite for you. I like it. I don't know that I'd order it again, but I do like it. While I'm here with you, I'm going to go ahead and take a bite. This is the honey mustard. If I could open this up without making a mess. Yeah, it's definitely got honey mustard. Same thing. There you go. Wrap this back up. That's got a little bit bigger piece of chicken on it than the first one. Get a bite. The chicken's good. It could have went, honestly, a little less honey mustard. And I say that only because it's not that big a piece of chicken. I think there's more honey mustard on this than chicken. Otherwise, it's pretty good. While I'm here, this is the spicy one. And I think it's got the largest piece of chicken of all. And it's the one I'm most scared of because y'all know how I feel about heat. And here I am. I'm going to get a drink. That's a Diet Coke, but at least got that right the first time. So, alright. Spicy. Here we go, guys. I don't know what that sauce is, or if it's just the chicken. There's something on there. That might be some more ranch or something. That's my favorite one. Not too hot. There's a little heat there. Of the three, I prefer the spicy, guys. That's just my thought. Getting a little heat now, but it's not overbearing. There's a little bit though. Wow, there you go. You know, I always show you my whole order. I did get a small fry with that. I think that's a small fry. And a Diet Coke. That's it. Because I'm going to cut this off here. Because I do got to hurry up and eat this and get back to the office. And work the rest of the day. So, and like I said, it took more time to get my order than I'm going to have to actually eat it. So, guys, thank you as always. Thank you for the request. I'll find out who you are that requested this, and I'll write it down here somewhere. So, thank you as always. Tell you what, guys, hit that like button, helps us out a lot. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and hit that bell notification, let you know every time I post a new video. So, guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye bye.